In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix YouCam Perfect Photo Editor app not working. So if you are experiencing any issues with your app, maybe the app can't open or it hangs or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, there are quite a number of methods you can use to fix this issue. In the first method, just go ahead and identify your app and then long press on it to access and tap on App Info page. From the App Info page, we need to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. However, the challenge is that accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, you need to go ahead and tap on clear data down below and then choose clear cache and then OK. From here, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open your app, and this should have fixed your issues. However, should this not work, then come back again here to the app info page, and this time around again go to clear data and choose the first option now, clear all data, and then OK. However, if this doesn't solve your problem, then you need to go ahead and look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have an update. So I'll go to Play Store here and search for my app and then look for any update. For my case, I don't have an update. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of YouCam Perfect Photo Editor app that might not be supported. Once you have updated your app, now you can proceed and open it to start using it. Now, by doing this, your app will be up and running without any issue. But should you still experience issues such as your app keeps on crashing, then you need to go ahead and uninstall your app completely from your smartphone and then install it again through Google Play Store or App Store. So by using any of these four methods, you should be able to fix any issues related to your YouCam Perfect Photo Editor app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.